Good evening, traders. It's 1800 hours exactly. Let's give 1 or 2 minutes here for all the other guys to come online here. A warm welcome to you. Remember, we will be discussing quite a bit of info, guys, in terms of levels and structural development and so forth. So please do not construe that as advice in any way. It is opinion. We're going to give another 1 or 2 minutes here for some of the other guys to quickly come online. All right, so stay tuned. Another minute or two, and we'll start. Tanya, I see you there. All good and sensible there on my side. I can see Jules on there as well. Good evening, guys. Good evening. We're about to get started here. Let's prime the charts. Make sure everybody's good. Whilst we do that, all right, guys, we're just moving. All right, guys, I think let's get started here. A warm welcome to you once again, guys. All right, here we go. Edgar, I see you there. Good evening, my friend. Good evening. All right. So, guys, let's go back and revisit some of the charts we've been checking out. We've been doing very well this entire week. Let's look at the oil price. We're starting off, as per the systemic look at our charts from the beginning. We're going to, move through them all like we've been doing. We'll start with the oil price here, guys. Remember, this is our last session before we go to bed. And then obviously tomorrow we're back again at 9:30 to check out some more. All right. So the oil price has moved, like I said, at the 3 o'clock session. We are seeing a correction here. And I went into some of that earlier on, and I said that we should look at this as the impulse, and we're seeing the correction of that impulse pan out. Now, you can only see the detail of that pullback when you go lower, like that. Then you can see the detail of that impulse, of that pullback. And there are micro correctional moves within that pullback. All right, that's very important. So right now, there's nothing at this point that's suggesting oil on the hourlies moving forward has found any support. Doesn't seem to be any support at this point to push higher. So we may still be coming down here. Maybe even tomorrow. We'll have to wait and see. Maybe we come down a little bit and then we go up again. All right, we'll have to wait and see. Now, because oil is doing that and it's coming down, we're getting the move from the gold price. Now, I'm still in gold here, guys, and I'm still seeing some upside here. Look at that. I'm still seeing the 4,203 area, which I spoke to you guys about. It's right there. Look at that. $4,203 per ounce. That's important. All right. Can you guys see that? Look at that. So even here, there's no support yet. There's only some of the pullback. All right. And here it is. Let me quickly highlight the pullback, or at least the high. That's where we're working from. See there, there's nothing yet, guys. Not even on the 10-minute yet. Not even on the 6-minute. All right, so there we've started now. Look, leg 1, leg 2. So the pullback has started. There we go. 1, 2. There's 1, 2. So count it like that. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2. 1. We're waiting for 2. Now bear in mind, there's a lot of divergence here. So you may be seeing a higher price here move, all right? But it doesn't mean that it's actually moving high in structure. The price moved higher, but there's exhaustion here. Don't forget that. There's a lot of exhaustion there. So bear in mind, that is what we're dealing with. This is the first high, that's the second high. So we are looking to see price move a little bit more before we, find some form of outcome to whether we're pushing down or not. All right. So this is still bullish at this point. The XAU EU is also has been bullish. We've been right about this as well. It's been pushing up nicely from 3585. It's at 3643. The exit there was at 3652. So we're basically on par with that. So I'm not going to worry too much about it. We're on par there. All right. Yeah, there's a lot of divergence on the lower time frames. I can absolutely agree with that. A lot of divergence on the lower time frames. All right. Then we have the silver. Now, I said to you guys earlier on that I'm looking for some more upside on the silver price. Hold on. I'm looking for some more upside on the silver price. And I said if it goes above the 61, I'm looking for the 62 and then the 69 after that. It has yet to push above the 61.13. It has yet to push above the 61.13 price level for silver. So I'm not doing anything here, guys. I'm waiting. I can see tonight it's really, really mild tonight. Yeah, it's really mild tonight. I know that we have tomorrow, let's look at the economic calendar. Tomorrow we have employment change. We got unemployment rate for the Aussie. And then at 2:15, we have the Euro main refinancing rate. We also have the monetary policy statement and the ECB press conference. That's tomorrow. That's after 2. So that's important for us, okay? Which leads us to the Euro now. At this point in time, the Euro is still bearish, guys. I'm still seeing the bears here. Even on the higher time frames, I'm seeing it over there. All right, guys. All right, guys. Apologies for that. We're still bearish here, guys. Even on the higher time frames here, we're still a bit bearish. We're just waiting for price to show up. Guys, this has all the makings of a drop here. It's all the makings of a drop. All right. All the makings of a drop here at this point in time. All right. So we're going to wait and see. GBP USD also still bearish over here, guys. But we're seeing divergence at the bottom here. So we may just come down one more time and then we push up. We may just come down one more time and then we push up. That's on GBP USD. We could possibly first come down one more time, and then we push up here. All right, when I say push up, I'm not referring to us going all the way up. I'm just saying from there we may just do another one somewhere in this area here, and then after that we push down. All right, so we're gonna have to wait and see on this one, guys. It's pretty quiet tonight, I must say. AUD USD, guys, we have now reached the area that I highlighted for you guys. From that zone to that zone over there, it's been done. So what I'm waiting for now is I'm anticipating another move to the upside now. I'm anticipating it to go back there. And then from there, we're going to wait for it, because if it comes down again, so this is what I'm anticipating. Move up. And then I'm anticipating it to do that. Once it pushes back down again, I'm going to be taking it down to 0.69562. So I'll be watching this very carefully as well. All right, I'll be watching it very carefully. Same with the NZD USD. This one, guys, it's pretty decent, right? But we're seeing the same divergence happen here. Same divergence happen right here. Still seeing that there could be a push to the upside. It failed to go all the way up today. We thought that it's going to go up, but it definitely failed to go up today. So we're going to wait and see on this one, guys. We'll wait and see on that one. All right. Then US 30. This one has gone up now again. We hit all those zones as mentioned, pulled back, and it's gone up again. So to anyone that's in the US 30, you should be good here. All right, it's the US 30. The same with the NAS 100. Look at that. Look at that. We're sitting above that area. I'm still anticipating more upside here. Whoever's in the NAS 100, you should be making some cash here. Whoever's in here should be making, unless there's a different story there. But you can see it's looking very good. We're in the 29,100. I'm anticipating this zone here. So remember, I said to you, you have to insulate yourself. So I may not even take my profits at 29,622. I'll take it anywhere in between that zone there. That's what I'm going to be doing. All right. The S&P 500 has now moved above. Look at this. Beautiful movement to the upside. Lots of movement to the upside here. Guys, it's looking great. Look at this. It's looking phenomenal. That's the S&P 500. Look at that. So NAS 100 up, S&P 500 up, and we're dealing with hourly's down. Hourly's down. Then we have GBP NZD. It's come down to that zone that I spoke to you guys about. It's come down. It went back up again. So we're still gunning for, let me just put the price there, 2.31018. But I'll definitely let you guys know where my mind is as soon as we can see some movement back up. All right, as soon as we can see some movement back up, that would be wonderful. So from this area to go back up would be great. All right. All right. Then we have the AUD NZD, guys. Now, this one I wasn't feeling too good about. But between 1.20346 and 1.20839, that is roughly about 49 pips. So I'll definitely be looking at this one for some upside. I'm going to be waiting for price to close above that area. Once it does that, I'm going to be buying the AUD NZD. But I'm going to be waiting for now. I'm monitoring it on an hour frame, and I'll get in on the minute frames on this one. The minute frames. That's important there, all right? So guys, we're basically just doing a review here. This is just revision. We have some fundamentals coming out tomorrow, so that's going to give us possible new moves For now, we're still dealing with the moves of today. All right. Then we have AUD JPY. Nothing's moved here yet, guys. We haven't gone beneath the 113.702. We've not gone beneath there. So I'm leaving this, all right? Then look at this. USD ZAR, we've reached 1639 now, look. So I'm anticipating it to come down to 1629. It's reached 1639. I'm anticipating it to push to 1629 now. All right? It's more revision tonight than anything else. Euro JPY, still stuck in that same area. I am anticipating a movement to the downside. Now, guys, I can say this to you very confidently. There is definitely a move coming here. All right? And some guys will take the move from there to there. That's about 64 pips. There's nothing wrong with that. All right? There's nothing wrong with that. The reason why I marked out this area, because it's very probable once price breaks through all of that there, it continues to go lower. I'll say that again. Once price continues and breaks down, beneath all of this here, all of that, and then comes down there, higher probability we go down. Now there, between there and there, is 54 pips. Doable. Absolutely doable. All right. The GBP yen, I'm now sitting and looking at this and I'm like, oh, thank you. Because it seems like we're ready to go down. This is a big move from there to there. That's 193 pips, guys. Are we together? That's 193 pips. That's a very nice move to the downside there. Are we together, guys? Is everybody tracking with me so far? I think we're doing very, very well here, guys, by the way. I think we're doing really, really well here. All right. Let's move now to CHF JPY and look at this. Lo and behold, we've now dipped below. Look at that. Do you guys see that? Is everybody with me here, guys? Let's look at the candle. All right, so CHF JPY. I'm anticipating some more moves to the downside. Right there. There to there. Do you guys see that? Are we together? All right, young Sunny, I see you there. Jules, all right, good. Shirley, I see you there. Good evening. All right, so CHF JPY, then NZD JPY. This one, I'm just waiting for another move to 94. I'm waiting for another move to 94. If I can get that move there, I'm going to be very happy, guys. All right, if I can get that move there, I'm going to be very happy. From where it is now, beneath 94, I'm taking that short right there. And then I'll hold this trade here down to 93. Guys, it's looking very good on midday, or at least midweek. Let's go back. We're going back. GBP CAD. I've not taken anything here yet. I said to you, we must watch these highs here. Below 1.87321. That's when I want to engage. It's nothing here yet, all right? Euro GBP is about to finish the move there as well. It's going to finish off the move, but I'm already out of this one. I'm already out. Then the Euro CAD, we've not done this move yet. We still need to finish up. So we're gonna wait and see how this one pans out, guys. I'm not getting into this one. I'm just monitoring it. There's some guys that may want to trade it, but I'm not dealing with this one here at all. All right, not at all. Look at the USD JPY. I still have the downside here, guys. I still have the downside here. I'm just waiting for it. My actual area is 161.521. 161.521. If I can, if price can break that area there, that's going to be wonderful. That's a good drop, but nothing there yet. So traders, as you can see, we're basically on par here. Okay, we're definitely on par with what is happening. I want to also dig into the FTSE 100 out of the UK to see what is happening over there, because that might be another opportunity, as well as the AUS 200. Okay, the AUS 200, that's the stock market within Australia. So if the Aussie comes down, the stock market pushes up. So that's what I'm actually gunning for here. And it still seems to be a bit of space. All right. There still seems to be a bit of space. So that's what I'm going to check out now. So let me go. AUS 200. But the hourlies seem to be taken already. It's reached. We may need to get a... Hold up. Just give it a second. Yeah, this one has already moved up. There's lots of divergence here. This one's actually moving with the Russell 2000. All right, so here we go. I'll be watching this one, guys. You can watch it with me. I may not. Let's see if I partake, but of this one here. So there we go. Oh, it's actually very nice, but I don't think I'm going to partake here for now. So I'm trading this on a 5-minute frame, guys. I'm trading this on a 5-minute frame. Let's make this blue. All right, look at this. So I'll be watching this in this way. Below 8840.19. Uh, 8789.36. That's what I'm looking at here. So we'll watch it together. I may not take part in it, but that's what we're watching. Okay. That's the AUS 200. So the NAS is really struggling here. Eh? The NAS is struggling here, guys. Look at that. All right. So AUS 200 done and dusted. Let's go for the FTSE 100 now. The FTSE 100. I'm on my I'm on my market watch now, guys. I'm on my market watch. Sorry, I'm just trying to find it, guys. Give me a second. Sorry, guys, I'm not finding it here. Here we go. Okay, there it is. Got it. And we're looking, look at that hour there, guys. So I'll be watching this one as well from, let's say, a 15-minute frame. Fifteen-minute frame. And I'm anticipating this. Look at this, guys. Guys, this is actually really, really nice. This is a 15-minute structure. And this is actually going to be a good move. There's the 100 mark. So it's 50. There's the 100. Yeah, this is a good drop. It's bearish. Wow, what a move, guys. Guys, this is a good move. This is a good move here, guys. The FTSE 100. You know, this NASDAQ here, this is really, yeah, it's taking a bit too long, man. It's like the power is gone completely. Yeah, guys, the power is gone. I think we're going to drop here again. But you know what? I'm going to leave it. I'm just going to leave it. I'm just going to leave it. So, Aussie, drop. UK 100 drop below 10,000 for all the guys that are here. 10,720.26. And attempting to trade that to 10,677 points. And the second area there, 10,577.03. So that's the FTSE right there, guys. There are two trades here. Or there's two trades here, or one. So there's two trades. You can divide it two, or there's just one trade. You wait for it. That's going to be critical here on the FTSE. So, guys, tonight is really just revision. I'm actually really curious as to why there's no movement right now. So we may see, there may be some movement 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. So let's quickly just review quickly. All right, let's review, and we may just pause on this one for tonight because tomorrow we do have fundamentals. So we'll see now how it goes. So let's see. All right, so the oil price still hasn't moved much. The gold there, look at the gold coming down now. Yeah, there's a correction coming here now, guys. It's a bit bearish. Just created first top, the second top. We may just come down. Let's wait. Silver come down one time. Euro not yet. Gold not yet. Sorry, GBP USD. So guys, all of this here, we may just get some dollar strength tonight. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to exit for now on the gold price, because I think the gold we're gonna come down quite a bit. So I'm gonna exit on the gold for now. Okay. So I'm out on gold here, and I'm gonna wait now. I'm gonna wait for it to drop because I've already gotten my push to the upside. So let me put on a buy limit. I'm going to put on a buy limit here. I'll use this impulse. And I'll put a buy limit right here. There we go. So if it drops down, I get triggered in. There we go. That's a buy limit. You're most welcome, Jules. Not a problem. So guys, what we'll do is tonight, lots of revision here. I've just put in a buy limit here because anything can happen during the evening and obviously the morning hours. So I put in a buy limit there. There is some bearish momentum coming through on this impulse here. So I'll be waiting for that now to flash out. I've just taken some profits on gold. So I'll wait for that, okay? Whilst that one is coming down, I know I'm already short on New Zealand. All right, I'm already short there. But this also means that the NASDAQ, okay, the NASDAQ here could also drop. Let's see if I can get a impulse on this one. Let's see here. I'll go a little bit lower here. I'll go a little bit lower here. You see this area here? So what's happening now is I am closer. So I'm closer now to this area and further away from that area. So I see that I see a possible correction here. Let's see. It's building up because it's entered. You see, this was a rejection zone before. So that's why I'm anticipating a bit of a move to the downside. That's why I have a buy limit in there. But you see, guys, this here coming down is pretty normal to me. I'm still seeing the 29,622, but correction now. Let's just see what happens there. All right. So guys, yeah, that's where we're standing. GBP NZD, I'm going to leave this one to run. I'm not going to do anything here. I'll leave this one. And then this UK. Oh man, this looks good. This one here looks good. I'm going to be waiting for this. So let's see how it goes, guys. Let's see how it goes. I'm pretty amped about it. Also the GBP yen, pretty amped. I'm leaving this one in as well. So I'm leaving some trades in and I'm taking some out. Okay, I'm leaving some in and I'm taking some out. All the yen pairs, I'm leaving them in. I'm not touching those. I have crypto in as well. Bitcoin, I'm not touching that. I'm leaving it in. But the indices, I've gone out because I'm seeing a bit of a correction happening here now. All right. So guys, we will catch up again tomorrow, 9:30. We will catch up again 9:30 to do the London, and then we'll also look at seeing what is actually happening on the Australian unemployment and the Euro monetary policy statement. We'll see what's happening with that after 2 tomorrow. All right. Same to you, Tanya, Sammy. Yeah, it's pretty quiet right now, guys. So all those trades are still in from where we left off. All right. They're still in there and they're just waiting. We're just waiting for them, basically. So guys, maybe just to let you know, from a conclusion perspective, dollar is strengthening here. Look at the AUD, USD, NZD, they're going down. The gold price also going down. All right. So the oil price should strengthen then a little bit later on as well. So dollar strength by the end of the day. Look at USD JPY as well. So let's see how it goes, traders. We'll leave it in the meantime, and we'll take it from there. All right. See you guys tomorrow, 9:30. Be sharp and be ready. Be sharp and be ready. I'll see you guys soon. All right. Have a good evening now. Ashley Reeve here, guys, and I'm signing out. Ciao, ciao.